Right now it's 2:18 at Friday, May 31, and we're going outside. Wait. Oh, okay. Found the car. I'm going. And I am sitting again at the back. Woo. Guys, stay away from this dude. He's smoking.
I'm gonna pee.
Warning! Don't be here. Is it?
How dare you!
Say hello again to my chaotic cousin. Hello and welcome to vlog 69423, and in this video, Pong is literally being annoying. Alright, okay. Hello and welcome to vlog 69424 with the spotlight being Pong
The nerd.
Trinidad.
The nerd. What?
Bro, this is an Isuzu car. I'd never seen an Isuzu car before. Oh wait, it's a
they
truck.
can hear you.
It's a truck. For some reason, what's going on there? Is it raining? Free Wi-Fi for all. Rare Philippine sweat. Bro, that one's an Easy Mart. For some random reason, that's called Easy Mart. Kimba's building luxury houses.
Reverse.
Yo, this house looks cool. Okay, can somebody tell me where we are right now? This is complete new. Look at this. Wow. Nueva Ecija. New Nueva Ecija. Ah. Okay, this might just be okay, that's nice. So this is going to Cabanatuan. We're in the Cabanatuan route right now. Guys, it is Daan, but I don't want to go there. Please. We're passing by Walter Mart. Oh, Clean Tech. Do you clean technology? Oh, it's a gas station. We're here at Cabanatuan City. That looks like pure gold to me. Wait, is this even pure gold? I can't even see it. We're here at Pacific. It's Pacific. Shut it. Anyways, yeah, this does look like pure gold.
Ew.
But no, it isn't. This is not pure gold. I'm telling you, this is not pure gold. Bro, wait, what? It is actually pure gold. What the heck? So this is what the mall looks like. Welcome to Pure Gold V2. Guys, this place has no Bluey. I might as well sing the Bluey theme. Tanan. Walpan Tropico is playing right there. You seriously have to look, like, come on, it's 2024. Philippines just adopted Bluey. Why you still don't have her in the toy shop? Guys, look, it's it is a ripoff. It's a ripoff. Oh no. Oh hey, it's that cat from the luxurious cafe. What? Hey yo, who's playing NBA? Remove the A on it. Benson. Dance mode. This area still does not have any Bluey. We passed by another Samsung store. More Peppa Pig ripoffs. And still no Bluey. RIP to this Australian pop. She ain't popular here yet. It's Cabanatuan, you know. They're only in Manila.
Yes.
Oh
yes,
no,
yes.
Gen Alpha brain rot. And Gen Alpha brain rot. Ah. Okay.
Going to SM.
And right now we are going to SM. Hooray!
Hey, bro.
Hello and welcome to vlog 69425, and look at my cousin. I mean, look at Pong. He's literally gay because he likes My Little Pony. No, I'm joking, but he likes My Little Pony regardless of if he's a boy. Oh, and we're here at SM. Yay!
Stop cutting me off. Anyways, this is vlog 69420.
26.
26. Don't listen to him. Listen to me.
Shut it! Tim, shut it, okay? Let Pong do his thing.
Yeah. So we
That's
are
his
currently
intermission.
in 2 malls right now.
We just went from
Where-
Pacific, so we're going to
Pure
SM.
Gold, not Pacific.
Yeah, but still, Pacific Pure Gold, you know that.
No.
So now we're going to SM.
Nigga, I don't know that.
I put the new forge. Oh wait, it's brain rot. Oh no.
Actually,
We have arrived. Oh, I see. Exclusively available at Vision Express, the world's thinnest lens, covered by my cousin. Wait, let me see what's going on there.
I think the police are getting people on the
Whopper, Whopper, Whopper. Wait, this isn't the Whopper, Whopper, Whopper. Beyond. We're going up the stairs. W graduation. These look so cute. I'm not lying. Buzz Lightyear. And whatever. What other things do we have here? Wait, what? It's a mini Olaf. Hunting for Bluey merch. I'm gonna see. Oh, gotta catch 'em all. Okay, I'm out of here. Goodbye, guys.
Pikachu.
How's my Pokemon impressions? Ta-na-na-na-tan-ta-ra-ta-ta-ta. We're in the Electronics Center. Hooray! I'm so happy to be in a tech area, especially because I'm tech savvy. I'm joking. I'm not tech savvy, but I want to learn more about technology. Do they have Google Pixel here? Ew! I hate iPhones.
iPhone Pro Max.
Ew! Why do people say Microsoft is trash? Oh yeah, the ads. The ads. Smash or pass? My cousin said smash.
Papalag pa nga. Yes,
Nintendo Switch and PS5. Ew, iPhone. Yo, the Pixel! Finally, the first Pixel I've ever seen in my entire life. I saw a Google Pixel for real life.
Dude,
Wackadoo. Let's see.
It's inside.
Bro, wait, look. Steam Deck.
Wanna see a gay keyboard?
Wanna see a gay keyboard? Oh, that's a rainbow keyboard. Oh no, LGBT in my videos. It sucks. Guys, this Android has a dynamic island. This serial says Huawei, but you get Apple. Say hello to a foldable phone. And an Android with a Honor with dynamic island.
Wackadoo! It's a Google Pixel.
Yes. And so we meet the. Oh no! Look at that.
iPhone's bad. I want an iPhone.
That's crazy. Really.
10.
The pizzas are here. Here's my selection of pizzas. Okay, so this is a touch screen. What's in level 4? Level 2? Oh, this is a fully interactive thing. Not bad, bro. Not bad. Okay. Reset. Sometimes these Windows devices are really slow. I can't even reset it. Like, what the? We live in Greenwich. How many Samsung will I be seeing? Bro, they updated the logo.
Even though
Goodbye, SMCT. And well, we're playing some Asphalt 9. Really, we are officially leaving SM Cabanatuan. Goodbye, SM. Even though I did not find any Bluey merch. Sorry.
bar.
Aces, a vape shop.
Shut up.
Robinson's Easy Mart.